What's going on, guys? Welcome to High Five Universe. Today we are doing a 360 Nerf battle. Guys, with your phone, you can actually look around. It's best viewed in a swivel chair because it's super easy. Or if you've got Google Cardboard, use one of those. But you can look anywhere in here and follow any one of us. And basically, it's last man standing.
Yep.
Connor, Kevin, Gunner, Matthias, Mike. Ready for this? Woo!
we go. Okay.
These guys, they don't understand we have neighbors. Headshots? Headshots only. See this dude?
Oh shit. Crouching tiger, hidden dragon.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Go!
You're mine, Connor. You're mine, baby.
Why ain't nobody moving?
You are mine, baby. Oh! Get down, Connor. Get down, baby.
Directly in my forehead. I was directly in my forehead, dude. Why are they curving? Damn.
Oh!
I'm dead. You got shot at head too?
That was a beautiful. Hey, my aim is true, y'all. My aim is motherlicious true.
Motherlicious.
Oh shoot, you're dead, dude.
You're
You're
dead.
mine, man. Matthias! What the heck? That shield is cheating.
Is it just Matt? Matt, did you get him?
I didn't get him.
Kevin?
No one shot me in the head though.
Bro, that shield covers your face. What the heck?
Exactly. Hey Gunner, I'm dead. Make a Nerf investment, bro. Hey Gunner, I'm dead, bro.
No, you're not. No, I'm not.
Oh shoot, bro. That was way off.
Oh, Matt! Dude, Matt is cheating, dude. That's great.
Oh, got him! Did
No,
I get
no,
you?
that is shield.
Dang it!
Got my shield, bro. You guys suck. Whoa! That was close.
Oh my
All I
god,
see is
come on,
bullets
man.
flying. Is anybody out of bullets?
I've been out like 3
Throw me
times.
your
I've
mag.
reloaded like 8 times.
So they're just bad at this.
Don't break my.
Careful!
Gunner, relax.
There's a lot of expensive stuff
Gunner,
going.
you're just like hitting all the walls like crazy. Chill, bro.
Sorry.
Hey, we gotta get. Oh, he's gonna. Load up, baby. Load up, baby.
Oh, betrayal! Highest degree!
Oh my god.
Betrayal!
Betrayal to the highest
I'm gonna
degree.
be the first one dead.
What
next round.
a betrayal, dude.
I'm gonna be the first one dead.
Wait,
next
did you
round.
guys team up?
He's like, truth! And then he,
No.
he was reloading and he was just standing there and I was like, well, boom!
I was just messing with that. I was getting some footage. I was like, I'm just messing. That was good.
Alright.
Alright, y'all. So on that, what happened was, I had Matt pinned. He had no ammo left. I had him. I had a truce with Gunner, but he betrayed me. Shot me in the back, and then he shot Matthias. So he wins
sounds
round
like
1.
Survivor.
Round 2 beginning. 3.
Wait, hold on.
If he gets Jeremy, I'm with her. If he gets Jeremy, I'm with her.
Alright, here we go. 3,
Did she float?
2,
Wait,
1. Begin!
No.
Okay, guys, if you get hit with this thing, anywhere you're dead. Oh, because you got the grenade. Yeah.
Dude, you're dead! I shot you in the jaw!
No, you hit my shoulder.
Oh my, that was in your jaw.
Shoulder shot. Replay. Oh my gosh, that was close, Gunner.
Ah!
What are you doing? God, what are you doing?
Hey!
Connor had some good shots, man.
No!
Oh
Alright, Gunner, fine. Truce. Yes.
Oh,
Let's get for them, and then we'll.
for who?
And then let's get them, and then we'll.
Alright.
Dude, don't.
Ah, I got Connor.
Has to be in the head, doesn't it?
I hit you in the head.
No, you hit me in my nipple.
Your nipple.
Oh, there. Headshot. Get down, babe. Where's Matthias?
No.
I'm hungry for Matthias. I'm hungry for Matthias. Oh, he's got the grenade.
Yeah, he does.
Oh. Oh! That was so close. Gunner, I heard that whistle through my ear.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Oh, you cheated. Oh, shit. Okay. Look over there.
It's hard to see in the office.
Oh, stupid camera got in the way.
I shot the camera with the bazooka. This gun is not long range. Wait, do you have the bazooka right now?
Yes.
Look, look at him.
Oh.
Oh my god, dude! How did my mag fall out?
Wait, Carson. Connor's still in?
No, he didn't have the mag, so I was helping him.
Wait, is Matt dead?
No.
Where is he?
Everybody's alive but me.
Oh. This is a long ass round.
I know, right?
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! No!
Oh.
Here goes Jeremy.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh,
Connor,
You good?
I did. Man, that was way too.
grab that mic. Grab it. Grab that mag.
That didn't go anywhere.
Grab it. Go, go, go.
I'm coming for you guys.
Wait, I don't get it. Is Matt dead now?
I'm dead.
Oh.
They got so many bullets.
This thing is not long range at all.
Good shot.
God, he's too tall.
Oh jeez, Mike's shot is huge enough.
Ugh. Damn it. There's bullets on your feet. Oh!
Give me that. I have one bullet.
Dude, that was a bad move. All the bullets are over here.
I have one bullet.
There you go.
Here, hold on.
I'm dead.
Oh, this is not good. Okay, I think we should pause for a reload.
No.
No? No?
What's wrong with this shoe?
Oh!
It's pretty intense.
Oh no.
What? You're right.
Oh no.
Oh!
Not do that! Oh my god! Oh.
Did you win?
I reloaded just in time and shot him in the face.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Nice job.
Oh my
Who won the first one?
Me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. See the trade.
Twice?
Trade.
Oh, so the first time he cheated, but this time he didn't.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. What other Nerf 360 battle should we have next? Or what other 360 video would you like to see next? Because this is what we do on Sunday. So make sure you click up in the top right corner to subscribe. Peace.